Hello, I want to introduce you to a very simple, clean piece of hardware. This is an Indo keep plate or inactive door keeper plate. This is used when we have a lock in one door. This is put on the other door, and basically it takes the place of either a chain pull or an elbow catch. As you can see, there's multiple holes, screws that need to be attached for a elbow catch, adjustment holes. If you ever try to install a chain pull, it's even more complicated. Well, the Indo keep plate is very simple, very clean. 2 screws, 2 holes. Holes are sized either for a number 8 flathead or a 5mm Euro screw. Very simple, very easy. Let me show you how easy this thing is to install. So I have a door here. You got to pretend there's a lock in here. We'll show you some examples in a few minutes. Pick the height where I want it. And there we go. So if you've ever had to install locks, add locks to a cabinet in the field, and that will prevent that door from opening as long as this door is locked. So this cabinet, that door will not open right now. Unlock it, and you can see the plate here is holding the door shut. Again, as long as this door is locked, the cabinet will not open.